Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 1800 watt hot plate. 1800 watts this thing, which is powerful, and it does have a really nice cable here, plugs into a standard 110 outlet, but it feels very durable, which is really nice because you got one of these type of elements, you're going to want to make sure you have a nice durable cord. That can easily do that. They do provide you this little sticker that says to remove before using, so I'm going to do that so I can test this out and show this to you. They also send you with this. This is a nice little magnetic test strip. It's just a magnet, but it's a pretty sturdy magnet. It's going to allow you to make sure that your pot actually can work on an induction cooktop, because that is what this is. So this has 20 different heat settings. We're going to go and put this on here, and I'm going to turn it on here and kind of show you some of these heat settings. You have a lot of different options on here. Under your temperature wise, this actually goes all the way down to 120 degrees, and you can crank it all the way up to 460 degrees Fahrenheit as a maximum. You've got a boil setting. It's going to pull it out there. So I'm going to take some just regular water. I'm just going to put it in the bottom here so that you can kind of see how this induction cooktop works. Just get a little bit of water going in the bottom there and hit the boil button. So that way it can actually get going here. And as it's doing that, I'm going to also show you that it has a timer section on here that you can easily adjust timer, your heat, everything. Nice stainless design on this too as well, which is really nice. Glass top and stainless. And there that goes. Boy, that did not take any time at all. And I mean, that is a rolling boil. So that is great. And the nice part about these induction cooktops is whenever you pull this off of here, this part is not like a traditional top where it's not going to be, as hot. You obviously are not going to want to touch it right away. It's got a fan that cools this down internally. That'll help keep this thing cool. I mean, I can already lay my hand completely on it. So that's really nice. And if this does get dirty, you just simply wipe it off. So once it does cool completely down and you get some splatters and stuff, this nice glass top, wipe that down. Super easy to clean. All these buttons are integrated into here with this nice digital display. So if anything splatters on or anything else, easy to wipe off. You're not going to get a bunch of junk stuck down in there. So really nice portable hot plate. Really liking the fact that this thing is so easy to use and so versatile and looks so nice. You can easily work on it in any style of home.